Hello friends, today I am here to show you a simple recipe that you can make for your loud buns. These are strawberry muffins made from fresh strawberries and bananas. It's very simple, so let's get started. For the ingredients you would need banana, unsalted butter, eggs, vanilla extract, all-purpose flour, brown sugar, baking powder, baking soda, salt, ground cinnamon and strawberries. So take a bowl and mash the bananas with the help of a fork. You can still have chunks of banana in it should be fine. Whisk the eggs next and add to the banana. Mix it well. Pour the melted butter into it, also vanilla extract, and mix it well. Take a large bowl, add all-purpose flour and all the other dry ingredients, brown sugar, baking soda, salt, ground cinnamon, and baking powder. Mix it thoroughly so that everything is well combined. Chopped strawberries to this and coat it evenly with the flour. This will enable the strawberries to stay in place and not sink while baking. Now add the wet ingredients mix to the dry ingredients and mix it until it's all combined. Do not overdo it or else your muffins will turn out to be hard. The muffin batter is now ready. Take a muffin tray and line them up with paper liners. Take scoops of the muffin batter and put them into the paper liners. So you can fill up all the paper liners in this way. Garnish with more fresh strawberries on top if required. Now the muffins are ready to go into the oven. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees centigrade and bake for about 20 minutes or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Remove onto a wire rack and allow to cool down completely. Your strawberry muffins are ready. Please leave me a comment if you like my video and do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. You can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, Google+, and Blogger. Click below to subscribe to my channel for more such interesting recipes. Check out some of the other videos from my channel below.